everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess and Doll Collector, and this is just a quickie video to tell you what I'm up to. I am working on some dolly dresses this weekend. First I have a stack of papers to grade, but then I'm pulling out some fabric. I want to make a few doll dresses that have a little bit more of a fall theme to them. Halloween is getting wrapped up now. I have just a few Halloween items in my shop, and now I want to start making fall dresses. And so yeah, I've got this super cute fabric here. It has these adorable little foxes on it, and then this fabric has little fox faces and bunnies and bears, which would be perfect for the top of a doll dress. There's a little squirrel. And then this, even though it's got flowers, which kind of seems usually for spring, the colors to me seem more fall because of the browns and the oranges. So this would be the bottom, and then this would be the top. So I could mix the patterns together because they're similar colors. And here's one I've already cut out, the skirt part, and this will be the top. And yeah, and I have some lace. I'm probably going to put some lace trim on these. So yeah, look for an update when I get these going here. Today I hope to at least cut these out and maybe get one dress made. That is after I grade essays. And here's just some dolly mail I got. I was in need of some more shoes. So these are doll shoes that I got from an Etsy seller. I'm trying to remember the name. The Hand Flower, I believe. I'll put the name in the comments. So they sell these little dress shoes as sets. So these three came together, and then I bought these little boots and these brown boots, and these they threw in as swag. They're cute. They're not necessarily my taste. I'm not sure how easily the dolls will actually stand in these type of narrow heels, but I will give them a shot. These are super cute little boots. They're split in the back. And yeah, these are very inexpensive shoes that work well with Blythe dolls. Then they stand up pretty well in them too, so that's why I kind of like them. Next to boots, these are my next favorites. And that's it. I'm going to be, like I said, get those papers graded, and then time to have some dolly fun. I hope you guys are having a wonderful dolly day. And as usual, thanks for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.